Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Industrial Chat Podcast. I'm your host, SUTRISNO. A lot of us in the Industrial Engineering Department are asking a pretty scary question. Is AI a crisis for our future careers, or is it the biggest opportunity we've ever seen? To help us unpack this, we have a fantastic panel today. Let's welcome Group 2 to the show. We've got Anita covering marketing, Nia on HR, PUJO representing IT, and M.RAFLY from finance. Welcome guys, how is everyone doing today?
Mr. SUTRISNO, glad to be here.
Hello, Mr. SUTRISNO. Hi guys, I'm so excited for this topic by the way.
Hi guys, nice to meet you.
Hi guys, thank you.
Awesome. Glad to have you all there. I want to start with Mr. PUJO from Information System and Automation perspective. Is AI really a crisis for our future careers, or are we just panicking for no reason?
Honestly, there's no, it's not a crisis. In industrial engineering, we always talk about automation. AI is just the next step. Simple coding or manual data entry might disappear, sure.
Disappear? It sounds like a total crisis to me. If those tasks are gone, what's left for us?
Wait, it actually creates new opportunities. We now have AI for predictive maintenance and smart manufacturing. So the real threat isn't AI. It's engineering who know AI replacing those who don't.
Totally agree with PUJO's opinion. Look at production planning and financial control. Automated system can now calculate inventory, cost and demand forecasting in seconds.
Wow. So are production planners losing their jobs too, Mr. M.RAFLY?
Only if they just do basic math, and as industrial engineer, we need to adapt. We must learn how to analyze the strategic data that AI produce to optimize the whole supply chain, not just do the manual calculation.
Exactly, it's the same in product design and marketing.
Really, Anita? How does a machine compete with human creative in product development? Can AI actually design products now?
It can generate 3-dimensional models and analyze consumer trends in sector, Mr. SUTRISNO. But here in the cage, AI lacks emotional intelligence and human-centered design. It doesn't know what makes a product comfortable or culturally accepted.
That is a great point, Anita, and that's where human factor in ergonomic comes in. From an HR and management point of view, the biggest challenge right now in industrial is training the workforce to adapt to this technology, I think.
So, Nia, what should manufacturing companies do? We need to fight AI or embrace it?
I think we must embrace it, but with safely. We know that in industrial engineering, we focus on the integration of people, materials, and equipment. So the leader need to manage this digital transition so the employee don't feel too treated. Companies that combine human empathy with AI efficiency will maximize their productivity. That is my opinion.
Spot on, yeah. Upskilling the current workforce is much more cost effective than firing and hiring new people.
Exactly, ergonomics and technology must work together. Don't fear it, learn it.
Wow, this has been an incredible and fast discussion. So that consensus is clear. As industrial engineers, we must adapt focus on system optimization, and use AI as tool to improve human work.
Oh, perfectly said.
Thank you so much to Anita, Nia, Tripujo, and Rafli for dropping some serious knowledge bombs today. And to our listeners, please don't forget to like, leave a comment with your thoughts on AI, and subscribe to Industrial Chat Podcast for more industrial insights. Keep learning, keep updating, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.